Big day today, you guys. Look at that. All right, Zach, you ready to see the RB20?
It's been so long.
I mean, hey, you did it. Oh yeah, Zach, you want to explain why it's an RB20?
Well, I mean, first of all, we're teenagers, so
You're not
we
gonna
don't
run.
have the most amount of money flow. And it's also more reliable and supposedly easier to learn how to tune on, so it's better for our overall.
Yeah. Also, you can see, Zach, it does actually have the oil pan on it. So, and like the turbo and everything.
How should we go about this then?
Well, maybe take all the shipping stuff off first. I mean, I guess we can literally just like that. RB20.
Oh, there's some broken stuff on it.
Oh yeah, but I mean that kind of makes. Oh, I know. This thing was not supposed to come with. Yeah, see, this thing has like this whole. This thing comes with like the whole engine harness, which it wasn't supposed to, but anyway.
So I think that clutch fan still looks good.
Oh yeah, for sure. The clutch fan looks great. I mean, obviously, it's an old engine. It's gonna need. See, what is it gonna need? RB20. You don't say. It's gonna need, belts and all that good stuff.
We're not even gonna
have this on here. I was like, how you feeling about it?
I'm excited. This is a big step.
And also, so I did a lot of research on this last night. This is a red top, and I know the red tops, people don't love them because you. Oh yeah, it's got the turbo on it. The red tops, people don't love the red tops because of the intake port. However, and also because of the fuel injection system. However, this one has the improved silver top ECCS, as you can tell, because it has 6 instead of 12 runners, and just because of the style of this. But yeah, we're probably gonna go get this all kind of squared away. But you guys can see the RB20 is in the shop. What's the plan, Zach?
Well, first we're gonna hopefully get all the wiring off and clutch fan, just stuff we don't need right now, so we can simplify the engine so we can get a better idea of what we need to do.
And get on an engine stand once we get one.
Yeah, we'll get one later today.
Yep, sounds like a good plan to me. Yeah, we'll set up a time lapse, something I'm sure.
So as you can see, we've taken off a couple of tingies. Taken off this tingy.
Which we figured out was the power steering pump, because I'm done.
And then we took out this tingy.
AC compressor.
And then we took off some belts and then the clutch, because that fan, we're not going to use that. We're going to
use the electric.
Yeah, we're going to use an E fan.
Turbo's going to have to, we're going to do a different turbo anyway, right?
Yeah, this turbo is looking a little...
She's looking, let's see.
You can see into there, but she doesn't spin the worst. It's just there's stuff in there.
It's just, and also they're really restricted turbos, the RB20s.
Yeah, they're pretty small.
Wiring side doesn't sound like you've on the most amount of progress just because things are...
Oh, yeah, things don't like to pop off.
Oh, show us what you saw the oil in the...
So I was just messing around, because I hadn't seen, but I looked under here, and it's fairly clean. I don't know if you can see it, but that's pretty clean for the one thing we can see.
Yeah.
So I was pretty impressed with that.
Doesn't look all too bad in there, no, for sure.
So, it looked better than with the 300. With
Oh,
the old
300's old one was so bad.
That was so gross.
Intake manifold.
Then again, this also has like half the miles that thing had.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. The tag says it had 100,000 kilometers, I believe. Oh, jeez. Focus, please. Focus. Thank you.
102 and 250 something.
Yeah, something like that. So next step's gonna be, what's the next step?
Honestly, right now we're probably just gonna try to find a way to lift it up so we can put it on the engine stand.
All right, sounds good. We'll work on that then. All right, guys. We What's up, Zach?
What's up?
We got the engine hoist and the engine stand.
Had to go to 3 different stores.
Yep, because first one only had the stand, second one didn't actually have what they said they have, and then the third one actually had it. So
we got it now.
what's the plan?
To go and assemble them, and then put the engine onto it.
Hey, sounds good. Zach's gonna go grab some stuff, but you got the parts here. Now we just gotta unload them so we can get that bad boy on the stand. What are you gonna do?
I'm probably gonna do a thing while you do a thing.
Okay. Well, sounds like
it works.
Sounds like a good deal.
So as you guys can see, I got a new motor striker. It's pretty fancy. It can go up, and it could do other cool stuff. We're gonna need to go more than the one. We're gonna have to go with like the half ton.
It's like
That's 300-ish pounds.
no,
400.
a ton is 200 pounds. It's 2,000 pounds. So half ton's 1,000 pounds.
So we're good.
Yeah.
So when you go to half ton. Wait, Sterling.
We're so stupid. We're more stupid than stupid could ever be. So, if you guys want to know what's going on, let me just show you how about. So we've been sitting here with the engine stand trying to maneuver this on when Zach was finally gained a sufficient amount of brain cells to realize we could just pull the tube out. So we're going to do that. We're going to get our little holders on and get that all situated. And then we'll come back once the engine's actually on the stand. How about?
There's bolts in there.
Okay. All right, Zach. So.
Yeah.
Engine's on the stand. There's oil in it, apparently.
There is oil, but a very small amount.
And then we got a mess up oil filter, so that's cool.
So we have stuff to take off.
We do. All right, I know this isn't how we intended the video to end, but we have way too much content for one video. So if you guys want to see, we do tear down the RB more, but we're gonna have to wait until next week to actually upload that. So if you guys did enjoy this video, remember to leave a like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll see you guys next week for more RB20 Teardown and whatnot.